As soon as your lights go off, we're on, making sure you're connected, working 24/7 to bring life back to normal. Your safety is most important. That's why we restore hospitals, fire, and police stations first, ensuring you have access to all essential services. Next, we focus on connectivity, preparing our energy grid to bring power back to your community. If you don't see us repairing your downline immediately, chances are we're working on damaged areas farther away that are contributing to your outage. So what's the game plan to return your power? We assess the situation from every angle, making sure your site is ready for repair. Then we'll bring your power back as quickly and as safely as possible. When you're in the dark, you deserve to be in the know. For the latest updates, outage maps, and helpful content, download the Entergy app or visit entergystormcenter.com.